Introduction to tools. To begin work of building a toilet, we will require a variety of tools. By familiarizing ourselves with these tools, it will allow us to perform to the best of our abilities and have additional knowledge. At the end of the session, you will be able to identify the tools required in building the toilet, clean the tools after the day's work. Now let's see the various tools required. First, let's see the various tools required in masonry work. Measuring tape. Measuring tape is a tool which is used to ensure that the dimensions in the plan are precisely reproduced in the structure. Spirit level. Spirit level is an instrument used to check whether a surface is horizontal or vertical. It is used for checking level while building walls, installing the P-trap and the toilet pan. Trowel. Trowel is a masonry tool used for spreading cement mortar on bricks and concrete blocks. It is also used for smoothing the surface while plastering the walls. Hammer. Hammer will help us to fix screws while installing the door and to break bricks. Hoe. A hoe is a long-handled tool with a thin metal blade used to clear and level the site. It is also used in digging the foundation. Pickaxe. A pickaxe is a hand tool with a hard head attached perpendicular to the handle, which is used in digging the foundation of the toilet. Crowbar. Crowbar is a tool with the working end shaped like a chisel and often slightly bent and forked, used for digging the pit. Steel float. The steel float is a tool used at the end of the plastering work to ensure that the surface is smooth and flat. Wooden float. A wooden float is used for smoothing and finishing the surface while plastering. Right-angled ruler. A right-angled ruler is used to ensure that the corners are perpendicular while building walls. Straight edge. A straight edge is a tool used for finishing the surface while plastering the walls. Plum Bob. A plumb bob is a tool which consists of a block with a weight suspended on a string. It is used to check the vertical alignment of the blocks placed and to ascertain a vertical point on the ground. Water level. Water level is a tool used to check the level across a surface such as a wall. Rammer. Rammer is a tool used to level plain cement concrete or PCC. 4-inch paint brush. The 4-inch paint brush is used for applying whitewash on the walls of the toilet building. Next, let's see the tools required in plumbing work. Hacksaw. A hacksaw is a tool with a fine tooth used for cutting pipes. File. File is used to smooth the ends of the PVC pipe. Now, let's see the tools required in carpentry work. Roll jumper. A roll jumper helps us to make holes in the wall while installing the door. Screwdriver. The screwdriver is a tool used for driving or removing screws which will help us while installing the door. Hand drill. A hand drill is a tool which helps us to make holes for installing the door. After the day's work, it is very important to clean all the tools and equipments used in construction. The heavy construction dirt can be removed with the help of a metal brush. Then wash the tools with some water. Wipe tools with a cotton cloth and allow it to dry. This will help to extend the lifespan of the tools used. With that, we have come to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned to identify the tools required in building the toilet, clean the tools after the day's work,